Just a second. Yo, much better. So, hi everyone, I'm Dodge, your host, and good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Today we're gonna start a minute earlier. Ignore the chat, I was just having fun. Okay. Oof. Kinda disappointed because I started a bit late today. Ah, I'm already cooked. So let's get back to work. You know what this is? These are my notes. I don't know if yeah, I think I explained them yesterday. Just a second, I have to be an adult, so I need to read my emails. Yeah, this is a really adult thing to do. I feel adult. Mark Holla has read because remember, guys, never and never make a LinkedIn account. Those fucker will start emailing you every bullshit ever from every CEO, bot CEO. Yeah, if you hear my voice that I'm a little down, don't worry, it's just because I'm kinda disappointed because I started late. So the only way to make these things right is to finish today another two chapters. What do you think? Today we have a UI HUD and icon design. This is my bread and butter. Can't wait. Let's open this one. Oh, you can see the laziness in this one and this one. Like, you can totally see the laziness. Do something new. And a child, as a child that should not move like this, like with inverted axis. Oh my god, the smear effect is crazy. I I should be an animator. I mean, I kinda try animation. By the way, animation is pretty cool, even though I forgot everything about it. This is why I should not do this. This is why. Whatever. Let's see what was the drawing that I liked the most yesterday. So what we had? No, I think Crash Bandicoot was no, it was yesterday. I don't know. Crash Bandicoot has some competition because there are other images that are like bangers, like me here. Don't ask who is this dude. He's just a character. Other like Joe Rod. Joe Rod is pretty tough. Little Timmy. I love Little Timmy. Typical competitive game. Okay, no, let's move on. Funny images though. Funny images. So today, copy all of this. Go here. Also, it's my bad because yesterday I wasted time instead of sleeping because I watched Chainsmoke Cat. I'm not gonna give an opinion to that series. It's just dumb, but you know, it's funny because it's dumb. But it's a series that is not really helpful to be honest, because I'm really pondering this day to start to smoke. I'm really start to pondering if I should do it because the stress is starting to get to me. I don't know. Will I ever smoke? No, fuck no. I will never smoke. I tried. I tried to smoke, but I never got addicted. So thank God I will also say thank God. But I don't see the fuss about it. Or yeah, the fuss. I don't know. Okay. So as always, guys, I like to say that from now on I'm gonna read all the things is inside the chapter, and sometimes I'm gonna take notes that maybe I will try to explain. So I like to read in silence because I cannot focus if I read with. Just a second. All right. I got a bit confused with the initial part where he says the interference, well, UI design, also known as user experience. They are not the same thing. I mean, user experience is the overall experience that the gamer will have, like the sound, animation, like every sensory experience, included the story, I think, and how the player will receive the story, be it visual novel style or cinematic. That kinda is the overall user experience. User interface is mostly visual on what he sees on the screen. I mean, it's interface, so it's something visual, like what you see on the screen. So, I don't know. Maybe this was just a small error, or maybe just a small overlook to write more fast. I don't know. That's my opinion. Maybe I read all wrong. You know, I don't. I'm not a really good reader, so maybe I missed as always the part where he says, "Oh yeah, actually, um, in fact, that's what it." No, he doesn't say. Well, damn. Who cares? Oh, damn! It's really cool this one. But I can really see that he worked for the AAA industry. I can really see it. Both in a good way and a bad way. Like some graphical stuff are like what you find in every single AAA game. Instead, like for indies like me, that try to innovate everything. Well, not everything, but at least something. So I can say it. It's, it's still a good guide though. Still a really good guide. It is just that I'm more on the indie field more so. Well, indie it's mostly creative and go wild, go shit. So it makes sense that he has more rules for professional games. I don't know. Well, let's start just by writing down. Hmm. Do you guys think that in the future there will be like how there is now AAA games, there will be like a AAA I's, like indie games, AAA I. I don't know because it seemed like some indie games are kinda more professional than others, have a future team. Like the pure solo devs like me, I think it's just indie. So I just an I, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I. Just an I. Then the studios that have at least less than five people working on it are like double A, and the triple A are like those like Clair Obscur, Expedition 33, Sandfall Interactive. Even though I'm still kind of skeptical that they are indie like a lot. I didn't knew what haptics was, so please forgive me. I may say something, I may say something. Now, the funniest part is that now probably there is no one to uh, hear me, so or to watch me, and I'm actually okay with this because it's more quiet for me. I don't know, but if a lot of people will start suddenly chatting and you know doing chatting and stuff, I will might have some problem to organize the chat. Well, I will be really happy to talk with some of the people that will make questions. Or I don't know, but I don't really want to be too popular on Twitch or YouTube. It will kinda change too much of how I work. What types of right? There is an error in skeuomorphic. In the second part, the R is in front of the P. Okay, well, who I am to judge? I think it can happen. I don't know how it works for publishing books. I don't know if there is an editor that should like check every single book. I think, well, I mean, I will probably make 1,000 of grammar errors. So who I am to judge? I need to search for an example for skeuomorphic design. Right. Oh, okay. I understand the skeuomorphic design in the phones, in the smartphone, because I need a games example. Maybe, okay, maybe I understand. It's like using real life objects like camera to the UI of a camera. I don't know what to say, but I think I'm understanding. The problem is that this understanding must be written in some way, in a good way, I will also say. All right. I just for changing a bit the discourse. Um, Yesterday I played the Rebound. Pretty nice. It's pretty nice. My Rebound. It has a nice system, even though it's League of Legends. Okay, so Okay, can we say this is good? Nah, I don't care about your opinion. If you don't know, I'm evil. I'm very, very evil. I'm like Doofenshmirtz level of evil, so really high. I think it's the writer. I think the symbolic is the most common one. I don't really want to use his examples for my notes, not because they are not good, but because I want to try to find myself some examples. Use my brain a bit more, or at least what remains of my brain. Let's see. I had to find others. Uh, God damn it, I don't find other example. This game is a banger. This game is a. Mm, another one? No, wait, let's not lose too much time here. Okay, I'm gonna write this and then we're gonna dive to something that is not in the book. Okay, then now we are gonna go into a little research that I kinda done myself, and it's about accessibility. Uh, I know how to like change the colors for the color blinders player. Something that I didn't really know, and I got interest from a Reddit post. I know, sorry. Yeah, Reddit. Okay, it's Reddit. From a Reddit post is the accessibility for blind people. So I kind of made done a side quest to ask blind people how games work for them. So I entered into a Discord server to ask some question, or at least educate myself a bit more. So let's see if I can find oh goddamn. How do I see the message that I sent? Our topic game chat. Maybe it was this. I hope it was this. Oh goddamn it. Oh no, I should have wrote everything down instead of just thinking that I can retrieve it from the chat. Oh, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Okay. Doors. Oh, maybe. Uh, okay, no. I found everything. I found everything. Wait, good. Okay, so I'm gonna spend some time to write down what I know now, thanks for from some blind game developers that instruct me a bit. Accessibility. Okay, so I have, let's do some basic stuff. So, color, ah, blindness, maybe go down, blindness, correction, for blindness correction, text size, or maybe even font choice. This one is probably for people like me who have problem reading, or even those who have problem with their sight, but yeah, also for those who have dyslexia. So, and then yeah, area. Theoretically, also subtitles are like an accessibility feature. However, it's used so much in some games that you kind of forgot that it's kind of an accessibility feature because some sound effects will not be like deaf people will not be able to hear some sound effects. So if there is a way to put them in subtitles, I think it's a good idea. And then blindness, that it was the hardest one for me to understand because blindness, it's because games are kind of a visual experience because you have to see from the computer. It kind of was the hardest for me to understand and to resolve. I mean, I didn't resolve anything because I don't have a game, so. But it's really like another level of difficulty because okay, the text to speech, that one I think there is one of the easiest one, but some of the stuff like the entire gameplay need to have a second option to how it works. And this one is kind of like totally hard. It's another level of hardness that it's one of the reasons why I got interested in blindness for gamers. So we're gonna open a parenthesis and see what I can understand from my chit chat with the developer from this Discord server. Bonjour. We are talking about UI, UX, HUD, and icon experience, icon design. So basically a lot of stuff, a lot of interesting stuff today. Right now I'm in the accessibility part. I mean, yeah. Right now I'm on the Discord server where I talk with a blind game developer to take some notes from our conversation. Oh, hang on. Hmm. Okay, first of all, what the what he suggested me is that to use a special menu for navigation, and maybe I'm gonna just basically copy and paste what he said. I'm gonna copy this part. So, okay, maybe I'm gonna copy and paste. Huh? Base. Okay. It like noise. Okay, adding a slider to side how fast the text to speech will be. Custom TTS. I should have asked what the TTS are. Text to speech? No, text. Uh, It is possible not adding custom TTS, although that could be cool if you do it correctly, but requires more setup. God damn it. Okay, another. So, okay. For, I mean, maybe I could have done. This is what I gathered for now. For now, I would say. I still didn't know about all of them. So these are good starting points. Not the best, but I will try to do my best. I'm gonna check just some games that were made for. Let's see. To make my game work some way also for blind people, I should like really get creative here because unfortunately my game is a lot like a visual game, like that's my main strength. So, but it's not impossible for the type of game that I'm making because it's not an action RPG. Well, technically it's a turn-based RPG. I don't know if so. Basically, in turn-based, your action are like more how do I say um linear. I would say like you do this, then you do this, da 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 da. So that are something that it's easier to send on to make the console log speak basically in a more sense with some sense. So it's kinda easier for my type of game. Now the only thing that I think about the thing that kind of preoccupies me the most is making me kind of more is the exploration basically. It's kind of more free, I would say. The exploration is kind of more free. You can go here, there, here. So that is kind of something that preoccupies. What they advise is to give some the same pathfinding of NPCs and allocate most of the stuff to a key. Like they play a lot with keys on a keyboard. So if I am able to allocate action to keys, I can probably do it. Usually, like in game design, you have to avoid putting a lot of commands inside keys everywhere. But because we are talking in the blindest field, they are maybe used to it, so I can kinda go overboard where every command has a key. So, to pass to the next objective, I would say, you just have to go enter. If you want to go home, press H. If you want to, I don't know, change route, I'm gonna I'm gonna make some sound when you probably go through a wall. I'm thinking if I gonna make something like a labyrinth for the game itself. So I don't know. It's also a possibility, to be honest, to make something like a labyrinth, or at least putting some grids under the game itself or the base of the game to simply let them try to explore. I think it's also an idea. Like another map grid, so they basically go up. If they can, they can. So up, up, up. Then if they go through a wall, they're gonna be like a sound cue, like one of the developers said. So ting, ting. Okay, not this direction. Let's right. Morning, morning. Today we are gonna learn UIs, HUD, and icon design. Also some accessibility feature. And here I took from the Discord server where I talk with some blind developers or even blind gamers and took some notes. I'm gonna just check if there was a chapter just dedicated for this. Ah. No, so it's the right time now to add these notes. All right, all right, all right. So what they basically said was use a special menu for navigation. What a lot of gamers or mods do is add object navigation to the game. This is a special menu you access usually with the page up and down combined with other keys. It usually has categories like doors, NPC, etc. And you can then use a command to navigate to the object you want. The next one is it's ideal to announce what is happening on screen. For example, if it's a turn-based game, Goblin 3 hit Paul in the leg with the rusty dagger. Paul took 13 damage. Think of it like console log speaking. This part is me. I added the last part. Adding a slider to decide how fast the text to speech will be. I I I still don't know how to add text to speech to Godot, but this is something that we'll do like a lot later. Add wall tones, which are basically sound clues that tell you where there is a wall or it's an opening area. So nice. Mhm. So yeah, that's the idea. That's basically the idea. I think pathfinding will be also more easy if there is like a grid underneath to make the character move to the next destination for them. We'll see how can we tackle this one. The only problem is just the exploration. I think combat will be like more linear, as I said. Like you click this button, this happens, so it's much more easier. Like it's already kind of set it up instead of action RPG where you have to move, dodge, and stuff. So this is the idea. This is the idea. Let's move on with the next part: how to create a UI. I know how to create a UI. I'm not dumb. Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. I'm sorry, Master. I'm sorry. This is just a nice thing to do. I will try my best to implement this. I think it's far easier to implement this stuff if you also have a team behind you. I will see how I can do with all of these. Like some are kind of easier, like text size and font adjustment, I don't know subtitle to be honest. Like the dialogue is already text, but I don't know for sound clue maybe I don't know. Subtitles are kind of for me. I don't know. The first two are kind of the easiest one. Oh, my back still not. Oh my god. For now, however, okay, this is why I'm kind of mad because it's already 11 a.m. and I'm still taking notes instead of sketching. So, and I don't want to in the afternoon to I don't know. Um, Okay, let's just continue. But first, 2 minutes of pause, please. Please. Masters, can I go? Can I have 2 minutes of pause, Masters? Chat, can I have 2 minutes of pause, please? Please. I'm gonna close Discord because I don't even use Discord. I used to use Discord for uh, notes and stuff, but now I don't know. I don't really use it anymore so much. Only for friends, but I don't even know how communities work. So blah. Oh well, 2 minutes of pause. Where is OBS? Papa. I'm back. I'm eating a banana, so I'm gonna mute myself for 2 minutes. It was kinda a mid banana. Not the best that I eat. Okay, guys, today we're gonna do a banana review. This banana is not the best. The monkey that sold me this banana is a scammer. Next time I will change the tree. I heard that in the two tree from here now there is a new tree store with a, a cashier, a monkey cashier that give better bananas. Monkey doors out. Ah, damn, I should really do something with the. Uh, how to create a UI? Okay, I'm gonna have really 1 minute of pause really quickly. Okay, back. Come on, man. The last few pages, I think, or maybe not. Why it's so long? Okay, it's a pretty heavy packed chapter. Yeah, chapter 8 is it's pretty heavy, man. Okay. I mean, this book is literally more than, is it 600? Not 550 pages. And I'm on page 203. I guess. Okay, let's write some stuff. No, in English. Yeah. Okay, these are useful. So, as always, we are using all of these nodes as checklist for when I'm gonna make the design for my game. Some of this stuff, as always, if you are a player, are pretty intuitive, but if you're a game developer, you might overlook some of this stuff because you cannot pay attention to everything, so it may happen. So it's useful as using these notes as checklist. Just saying, just saying. Don't forget about icons. There are many great resources online, including GameIcons.net. Some creators are relying on AI tools like Midjourney and Nightcraft. I just for the record, AI art is great for the prototype, but for the final game, you should hire human artists to do it. For the record, I'm team human when it comes to AI. No, you're not, Ben. God damn it, there is a reason why there is the term programmer art. Programmer art are just simple stuff, a little sketch, dumb sketch to make the prototype. Prototype are not final products. Prototype must look bad. It's their job to look bad, the prototype. So you can easily find the prototype and change it later. If it looks like those AI motherfucker icons, you're gonna overlook them because they are already colorful. They already look, how do I say, detailed enough, and you're gonna miss them. Look at Expedition 33. They are dumbass. They use prototype because I have prototype, and they forgot about it. Placeholder and prototypes must look bad. It's their job to look bad. They are just functional. They just need to be functional. I think he also know this, but because he works in the AAA industry, he must like soften a little. I don't know. Because this dude also draws, so I know that this is not his real opinion. Also, this game was made in what 2024. Yeah, so I think it was kinda ish, like yeah, kinda. I don't know. People don't be afraid to make your prototypes look bad. Do not chicken out. Even I, that I'm an artist, and I understand that games first must be functional, then creative to work. Sorry, got a little heated up here. Oh, no, I don't know how to write this. This hierarchy or hierarchy? Uh, let's just write this for now. Creating icons for mobile games. Ah, do I want to? I mean, I, I mean, if I can make Ultra Hill enough, like super optimized, it may also be able to run phones, and it will not be that bad. But I think for doing something like this, you have to, start from the beginning with it, like the same thing for accessibility in your game. And I don't want really know if I want Ultra Hill so much bigger to be like in every platform, including mobile. I know it will be may make me a lot of money, but come on, guys, it's my first commercial game. I don't know if I should like how do I say all on red or all on black. I don't want to gamble with it. I'm already starting to think to, how do I say, reduce some the size of the game a little to, or at least some mechanics that I thought were crazy. Maybe not. Let's just focus on something more important than everything. I don't know. I'm slowly but surely scoping down the size of the game for sure. This is why I also don't like when community starts saying like, "Oh no, you should like start making a smaller game first. Don't leave bigger game and don't overscope, blah blah blah." Because if you just say that, how I mean, let them understand what their limit is. I think the best way to understand what is the size of the game that you will be able to do will just let them try. Just let them try, dude. I don't know. Even me now, I'm making Ultra Nihil. I know that Ultra Nihil is kind of a big game, and because slowly I'm learning also what are my limits. But I'm limit testing right now, so it's useful to start with your dream project, I would say. Yeah, why not? At least this is my point of view. As always, as I say always, I don't really like communities online now. They are not really the best. So remember, kids, be aware of strangers online, including me. Don't follow every single advice they give. Mostly because those who stay like online a lot are usually like the ones that don't make any progress with their project. So You will find a lot of people that are like pissed off. They didn't continue their own project, so be careful out there. By the way, I'm included in those persons. I like was one of them, I think. Even though never did never gave any advice, so I don't know. But I always was so insecure about what to do. The best way, remember, the best teacher is failure. So fail a lot, guys. It's not that bad. At least you tried and you learn. Where I was? Oh, okay. Yeah, I was at creating icons for mobile games. Sorry, I got distracted by being philosophical, helpful. I don't know. Whoa, but it's 12 a.m. Oh, just a sec, guys. I need to pause here because I need to, you know, eat. I will come back soon. Kinda forgot that I need to eat. Uh, it's kind of a long chapter. It's okay. I like that it's a long chapter. I see some cool stuff in the next few pages, but it really like preoccupies. It make me like worried that one entire chapter will take the day, and we are just in chapter 8. Ah. Whew, crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah, the next few pages are like crazy important, I think. The first few were like I don't know, the simplest because they were not, they were just for introduction. I understand, I understand. So I think we're gonna have another long journey trying to learn all the game design stuff. I really hope it's worth it. So because it will take probably another month, I think. I really hope not, so I must speed up a little because I really need to start my own game design document. And first I need like to have all the cards to play with them, you know. So I have to gather all the knowledge to make something decent at least. Like you have to understand that I need also a pragmatic view of the for the project. I cannot just dream to make a good project. I think it's also useful to have some of that AAA technicality, even though I don't really like AAA studios right now and what they are doing. But yeah, sometimes it's really some pragmatism. It's what it is needed, and be honest on what I can do with my own strengths for the game. I don't know. Like I used to think that well, I'm still pretty hot, how do I say, stubborn about the fact that I want to keep the 20 nation. I will explore 20 nations, or well, not explore 20 nation like open world, but just like a small city or neighborhood sized city. I don't know, and yeah, you're gonna explore something of that size. But I used to think like I want like two character where you can choose which one of them is gonna be your companion, basically. But I'm starting to think that it's too much, and maybe it's too distracting. I'm trying to, how do I say, concentrate. Like, it's nice to have these little things, but I have to be aware that I'm alone. So I'm trying to, how do I say, uh, augment the density of the core of the game. Like, okay, what I want with this game, what's the core thing that I don't want to change? Like, what are the core things that I don't want to change? And I think I'm gonna choose maximum three things that I am absolutely not gonna change, and everything else it will be like probably disposable. Like some mechanics might be really disposable. That's the idea here. And keep in mind that if I kept going like I used to, I will never like come to this conclusion. So this is why I say that failing is important, even though failing has a really bad connotation to it, and it hurts. So yeah, but yeah, failure is the great teacher, and I think it's also okay to take your time to learn, even though also practice is the best teacher. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take my time. The journey is kind of long. The only thing that I need is money. There is a reason why I will work as a mover for a small period before starting it. Yes, I need the money for that too. Skadoosh. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna finish here. Uh, Bye, guys. See you later. Like in an hour or two. Bye bye.